If you want to keep your Hotmail account secure in 2025, one of the simplest yet most powerful steps you can take is updating your password. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, fast, clear, and beginner friendly, so you can protect your personal information with confidence. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button and enter your login details. This ensures Microsoft can verify your identity and grant access to your account settings. When you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu where you'll see an option labeled My Microsoft Account. Click that and you'll be taken to a dashboard with different settings related to your Microsoft services. From here, find and select the Security tab at the top of the page. This is where you manage everything related to your account's protection, passwords, verification options, and more. Inside the security section, look for the option to change password. Microsoft may ask for one more verification step. This is just to confirm it's really you making the change. Once you pass that, you'll be brought to a page where you need to enter your current password. Go ahead and type it in. Now it's time to create your new password. Aim for something secure but easy for you to remember. Combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is the best way to strengthen your password. Type in your new password, then re-enter it to confirm you've spelled everything correctly. Once both fields match, click Save. And that's it. Your Hotmail password has officially been updated. This simple habit not only boosts your security, but also helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Make sure to keep your new password stored safely and avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, feel free to return to it anytime you need to update your password again. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.